Who do you want to fight next?
Next, I don't know. Now I want to rest, but I think will be great fight with Smith. Yeah, I think he's number 5 of the rating, and I will be happy, really happy, if organization give me fight with him. If he can't or scared, I can fight with anyone, everyone.
Anthony?
Scared. I have a lot of respect for Nikita Krylov. I've said several times before that he's kind of the dark horse in the division. He put Gus's lights out fast. Like, nobody gets rid of Gus system like that. I fought that guy, and it took me 4 rounds to get him out of there. So I got a lot of respect for that guy. The answer is and always is to everybody in the division. Yes, I'm totally down. Maybe March. I'm in.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming, sports, and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.